What is up, guys? Today we're going to be fixing one of the most common problems and most hated problems on these G35s, and that's actually going to be the door stoppers don't work. So for most of you that have these cars, pretty much know that there is no such thing as having the door stay open. As soon as you let go, automatically closing doors. Wow, just like Tesla. And even if you have it as far as you can go, closes by itself every time. Same for the other side. It's really unfortunate and it's very annoying because what happens is somebody you don't know, you haven't told somebody and you forgot, they get in or try to get in, one foot still is out, and then watch this, boom, your shin is just destroyed, getting hit against the frame right here. That's not fun, and I want to save you guys some shins. Now, first of all, I don't want to take any credit for this video. I actually discovered this by a YouTuber that I really like watching. His name is Be Distinct. I'm going to link his channel down below in the description. I'll probably even try to put a bubble up here or something. But yeah, this is not my thing. I did not discover this, but I am going to share this with you because I'm going to be doing this to my G, because I have to say, I hate my doors closing automatically, and anybody that gets in my passenger, my girlfriend, friends, whatever, they're really tired of it. So I'm going to show you how to fix this for free, and all you need is a piece of plastic. So you can use a milk carton. I'm actually going to use a Dr. Pepper bottle right here. It's empty. You can pretty much use anything that's plastic, a bottle of oil, power fluid, or whatever. It'll all work the same. So this is actually pretty simple. You don't need a crazy amount of tools. All you really need here is a 10mm with a ratchet and socket. You're gonna need these kind of pliers. I don't know what they're called. I think they're cutting pliers, I believe. You're going to need regular pliers, and you need something to ply the plastic off with, because you're going to be taking the paneling off, and you don't want to damage your paneling. Because you can use a flat head, but chances are you're going to scratch your interior up. And if you don't care, you can use a flat head, but I strongly recommend using plastic tools on plastic just to avoid any of that if you actually care about your car. And that's pretty much it. So let's just get right into it. So to explain exactly what we're doing here, we're removing the door panel, and we're going to get to the door stopper, which is actually right in here, and you do have to take the whole door panel to get to it. We're taking that piece off, and what we're going to be doing with that piece is we're going to be putting a piece of plastic in there that acts like a spring that compresses. And this is actually going to basically fix the door stopper, and it's just going to fix the door stopper and make the stopper actually work and stop the door from closing on your shins and save you some really painful times. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that little piece and get to a bolt, and then I'm going to take this piece off right here, and then we're just going to start taking this panel off and start prying all these pieces off. Should be pretty self-explanatory. Oops. I don't think anything broke, so we're good. There's two more bolts in here. You're gonna need an extension for this one. But now we can take this and we can unplug the clip into the door switch. I don't know what it is about sensors and clips, but I can never get them out without pliers for some reason, because like having to push a tab like pretty decently hard and then also like yank it is like really hard for me. I don't know if I have weak hands or whatever. Let's put that to the side. Now all we really need to do now is pull the rest of the door panel off. So if you just start right here, it'll just pry off with your hand, and then you kind of just yank it. Just be gentle, don't break anything. For this last step, you're going to have to actually pull up and then out, otherwise it's not going to come out. So up. And there we go. probably should have unplugged my battery first. Okay, so I unplugged the battery. I'm not going to unplug this and all that. I am going to unplug this light actually, because I think I'm going to change the bulb out for an LED anyway. Okay, so right now we're going to remove these bolts on the speaker here. We're going to be taking the speaker out. These are 10 millimeters. Alright, we're going to remove this 10 millimeter bolt right here. Okay, so I actually had my camera die on me, so I might have missed a few steps on camera, but you're just going to unbolt the speaker right here. It's 3 bolts, and then you can just let it hang right here. That's fine. It's actually held on by a little bit of tape, or not tape, but like adhesive, just to make sure it doesn't like move or anything from vibrations. So if you want to go ahead and like put like another like adhesion promoter or something here when you put it back on, that's up to you. But take this bolt off right here, and then there's 2 more bolts I gotta get to right here, and then this thing I'm gonna be able to reach through here and actually be able to pull it out, and then that's the piece we need to actually fix the door. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So now that you got your little door piece out, now it's time to remove these little metal hooks on here, and that's what this tool is going to come in handy for. You're going to use this and pry it off. Just be careful not to break the hooks, and yeah. Alright. So now that we broke that free, we have access to what we need, and that's actually so what's stopping the doors, hopefully it's focusing, let me see. So what's stopping the doors are these little rubber pieces in here, and this plastic is busted. So what we need to do is actually take these pieces out and put spacers in between here, which will hug the door stopper and make it actually stop the door from closing. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take a little piece of plastic, fold it up into pieces and make it kind of like a spring. Don't make it too big, otherwise it's not going to fit. And I'm actually going to spray some lube on this. I'm going to use this is water resistant silicone lubricant. It's good on rubber. And then we're going to shove this plastic. Okay, so you're gonna have to use 2 hands. It was a little finicky, but you see how I got that little plastic piece in there, kind of acting as a spring and giving it space. There was a lot of play in this before. Now it's not budging like at all, and that was why the door wouldn't stop. So now I put some lube on this just to make sure there's no squeaking, and I want to make sure this like lasts. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and now reassemble this. We're pretty much done. We fixed it, and we just gotta put the door back together and see how good it actually stops. Okay, so just do everything in reverse order and put everything back together, and then show you the magic. Wow, they stay open. Imagine a door that actually stays open. Oops, I just knocked over my tripod. I'm really clumsy, and I probably shouldn't be working on cars. But yeah, look at that, the door stays open even when I shake the car. Wow. This is by far the best mod for your G35. No platinum spacers, no exhaust. This mod right here is the best mod for a G35. Crazy. The door actually stays open. And obviously do the exact same theme on the passenger side. It's no different. Other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to follow my VR30 twin turbo swap I'm going to be doing on this after the pandemic is over. Other than that, guys, appreciate it. Subscribe, like the video. I'll see you guys next time.